Here we have another application problem. So let's read through it. It says an Xbox 360 game system and several games are sold for $560. The cost of the Xbox 360 is 3 times as much as the cost of the games. Find the cost of the Xbox 360 and the cost of the games. Okay, before we begin, we need to kind of understand what's going on here. So, if you need to close your eyes and think about it or whatever, that is absolutely fine. Just try to get an idea of what they're talking about here. Without just looking at the problem itself, just thinking about the situation. They're saying that they're buying this game system and a bunch of games for $560. So we are working with a gaming system and also some games. I'm going to go ahead and list that out and say, okay, I know I'm dealing with an Xbox and I'm dealing with some games. Now it said that the cost of the Xbox is 3 times as much as the cost of the games. So whatever the games cost, 3 times that is the amount of the system. Let that help you to write your variables. If I just knew how much the games cost, let me call that X, then we could figure out how much the system cost, because that would be 3 times that amount. Now we also know that it said that when you buy this system and the games, it's $560. So the Xbox plus the games would equal my total cost. Now let's fill in our information. The Xbox was 3X, that's what we identified it as, and the games were X. That will equal our total cost of $560. Now it's just an equation for us to solve. So 3x and x would make 4x equals 560, and then we would have to divide both sides by 4 to get the x alone, so x would equal 140. Now let's go back up and reread the problem because we're not done. Okay, so this game system and the games are $560. The cost of the system is 3 times as much as the cost of the games. Find the cost of the Xbox 360 and the cost of the games. So we're not done. We've not finished this problem. We do know that X is 140, which means that the games sell for $140. And the Xbox itself was 3 times that amount, so that means it's $420. Now our answer is complete. We have found the cost of the system and the games also.